never worn before, $4.50. I'm gonna let that sink in. Just sprayed myself. I smell good. I hope you smell me. Smell me. Hello beautiful people of the internet, it's your girl Lynn, and today's video is very special like every other video. Today I have for you a shoe haul, my fall shoe haul. Fall is today. Today is literally September 22nd, and I was ready, okay? September 22nd, I'm bringing you my fall shoe haul. The last video got so much love. That was crazy. Like, people were just like, oh my gosh, yes, you got big feet. I got big feet too. I'm like, we out here, we represent. So thank you so much. I'm so glad you guys actually liked that video. I was like, you know what, I mean, I just bought shoes. Like, I mean, I can record a video about it, and like it got views and it got likes, because that means like people find it helpful, you know. Thank you so much. So yeah, today we're gonna do that again, year later, another fall season. I'm just gonna show you what I got, what I'm gonna be rocking this fall and in the spring. Oh well, fall, winter, and spring. Yeah, let's just get right into this. I'm excited. But before we get into this, if this is your first time visiting my channel, I always keep forgetting to do this, but if this is your first time visiting my channel, hey, what's up? How you doing? I'm Lynn. You cute. Thank you so much for, you know, stopping by and watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel. Like, I make pretty cool videos, you know. And if you're a new subscriber, thank you so much for subscribing to my channel, supporting your girl. I appreciate it so much. And watching this video, like, thank you. Like, wow, thank you. So getting right into this, we're gonna start off with heels, and then we're gonna go into sneakers and whatnot. So the first pair of heels I got for you, oh my goodness, look at these. These are literally so sexy, and I love the embroidery detail and whatnot. This is a very beautiful pair of shoes. These I got from Burlington Coat Factory. I've worn them once, so I don't want to show you the bottom. Whatever, I'll show you anyways. But I wore them literally once, and they were $22.99. Like, obviously it's not like super cheap, but it's a decent price, and I actually like the style, so I was like, you know what, why not get it? Yeah, so $23, that's not bad. That's not bad for a nice pair of heels. You guys know I'm a diehard denim girl. Like, I literally wear denim every single day of my life, everywhere I go. But you know, the floral isn't really cutting it for me. But I was like, you know what, let me try something new. Like, it's cool, it's different, and embroidery, like I said, it's in right now. It's been in since like 2016, 2017. So why not try something new? So yeah, these are pretty cute. I styled these already. I'm gonna insert some pictures for you guys. I called it a denim monochrome. I wore a denim top that I got from Salvation Army with a denim jacket from Salvation Army, denim pants from Salvation Army, and these shoes from Burlington. So yeah, it was a beautiful minimal outfit, pretty cheap. Honestly, the shoes were the only things that costed over $5, seriously. So yeah, pretty sexy. Next up, oh my goodness, these are actually favorites of mine. I mean, look at these. These are so beautiful. Love the mustard, love the simple design of them. Oh shoot, I got them. Okay, here we have a beautiful mustard pair, also from Burlington Coat Factory. That's my favorite color, so I saw it, I was like, yeah, whatever, that's a dead deal for me. I think it was about $23-24. I got them with the denim when I got them. But these are so beautiful, the sexy, and the chunky heel is literally giving me life. Like, I just love it so much, and it's so in right now. I styled these recently with a yellow floral button down from Salvation Army that I got for like $2, and a pair of Old Navy jeans that I also got from Salvation Army for like $5. And this was the only piece in the whole outfit that costed over $5. Like, I know how to finesse. Okay, next up we have, where's the other, oh, I dropped it again. Next up we have this beautiful pair of heels. I dropped it, and I'm not gonna get up and pick it up, honestly, so just look at this one. All right, I got this from Forever 21. These are so sexy. It was $10 at Forever 21, and I love the buckle right here. Purple. What is this? It's not metallic though. It's just like very, is it metallic? No. It's like very shiny, right? I don't know. But $10. I don't know if you can see, but I'm gonna try to come as close as possible. $10 on clearance. I don't need these shoes, all right? But I'll need them at some point, or somebody's gonna need them at some point. Okay, listen, I'm not an impulse buyer, okay? I'm not a hoarder. I just know a good deal when I see it. I'm not gonna leave this in the store when somebody else had just bought it 2 weeks prior for like $30-40. Like, I'm not leaving this. I have to take it, okay? You have to understand. I haven't found any way to style these yet, but like literally a simple white monochromatic outfit with these or some jeans or whatever. Like I don't care, but these are sexy. All right, next up I want to show you guys. Why do I keep laughing? I'm like literally joking on my own pair of shoes. Like that's not okay. But I got these babies from Salvation Army and they're literally so beautiful. Like don't judge me. I'm gonna show you what they look like, just don't judge me. So right here we have a sole, right? And then we just have a knitted part. And it's see-through and it's beautiful and it's comfortable and the inside is very squishy. I love these shoes so much. I actually wore them recently in my my outfit challenge as a collab that I did with a friend of mine. These are actually very, very comfortable. I don't even know if these are supposed to be indoor shoes, outdoor shoes. Today Letitia was joking at me. She was like, oh, you know, like the shoes you wear when you go swimming. But maybe it is the shoes that you wear to go swimming. I don't know. It's no way. Either way, I love these. I love these so much. Like they're sexy, they're cute, they're minimal, and they're black. Moving on to sneakers. My first pair, like literally, like God is too good. Like sometimes I'm just like, why God? Like, why me? Why me, Jesus? Like, why me? Okay, so I got these Reebok sneakers from Salvation Army for like, let me show you the price because you probably wouldn't believe me. So whatever price you see on the bottom of the shoe, just divide that by 50%. Okay, just look. I hope it shows. I'm just gonna come close. I hope it shows. I got this pair of shoes, brand new from Salvation Army for $4.50. Brand new, never worn before, $4.50. I'm gonna let that sink in. I've never owned a pair of Reebok sneakers before. I kind of just wear sneakers just like, why not? But these are sexy, these are beautiful. I guess these are like the classic ones. These are cute. I can't wait to style these. Very simple, minimal, and of course they're white. Like I don't know, something about white sneakers. I don't know what it is for me. I'm literally the clumsiest person ever. I like to walk on grass with white shoes. Like I don't know, but I can't stop buying white shoes. Like I have my white Converse, my Zara shoes, these sneakers, and another pair. Like I just love white shoes. I don't know what it is. So I'm ready to style these. These are very sexy, very cute, and you never know. Like I might become a sneakerhead before you know it. Like about to be stunting on Instagram. Let me tell you. Watch out. Next up, we're almost done, I promise. I don't even know the name of it. All right, let me read it for you. It is the Nike Flex Experience RN7. Yeah. These are actually very, very comfortable. I got them this week. Let me show you what it looks like. It's a white sole and it has like white and gray and the logo is gray, and I wore them once this week so you can see grass stains on the bottom because I like to, like I said, I like to walk. I don't know what it is about white soles and walking on grass. I just love ruining shoes. That's what I love to do. But my diehard Tangens, I have a black pair and I have a gray pair. They're ripping. They're starting to rip. I've had them since like senior year of high school. Like literally, like they've held it down for 3 years and they started to rip, so I just need a new pair of shoes. Like I said, I'm not a sneakerhead. I literally just need I literally just need a pair of shoes to walk in. Honestly, as long as it's comfortable and I can walk in it for a long time. I'm a walker. All right, I like to walk places, and even if I'm at school, if I'm giving a tour or whatever, I want to be able to be comfortable. So these, I wore them to school the other day and they were pretty comfortable. So like, yeah, pretty lit. These were actually $26, $27 because I got them from Famous Footwear as part of their BOGO sale, like buy one get one half off. So the next pair of shoes I got it full price, and this one I got it half off, so it came out to $27. Yeah, pretty cool. I mean, if you need walking sneakers, these are pretty nice. Like I said, I'm not no sneakerhead. I just like to be comfortable, and Converse does that for me. Nike sneakers usually do that for me, so pretty cool. And last but not least, I don't know how many times I had to say this for God to be like, okay, fine, you can have those shoes, but just so yeah, I finally got the black high top Converse, and I mean, I can finally say that I'm satisfied. I still want to get the red ones though, but I'm satisfied. Like those of you guys that like know how many times like I talk about my white Converse, how much I love Converse and the yellow ones and everything, you know how much I've been wanting to get these forever. Just congratulate me. Even if you don't understand what's happening right now, just congratulate me, all right? Don't be mad. Like, I'm cute. Don't be mad. Like, it's not my fault that I'm cute and I'm about to slay these. Like, don't be mad at me. I got these for $55 from Famous Footwear, and it was part of their BOGO. So where's the other shoe? Oh yeah, the Nike ones and these together came out to $87. So yeah, check out Famous Footwear. They're having their BOGO right now. You buy a pair of shoes, get the other one half off. I mean, that's pretty decent. On the Nike website, I would have paid $100 for the 2 of these, but I ended up paying 80 something. So I mean, I saved $19. So that's worth something, right? Like, I don't know. Yeah, I love these. I can't wait to style them with literally every outfit. I wear my white Converse every single day, like everywhere I go. All you ever see are my white Converse. So now, get ready. Like, it's going down. I thank God, because like, I'm about to slay. I'm about to slay these. These are sexy. So this is all I have for you. Yeah, what do you think? Do you like my shoes? Do you think I'm about to be slaying this year? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pair of shoes, right? About totaling out to about, we don't talk about totals, but they're ranging from $2 to $50, you know what I mean? So this is pretty decent. Like, most of them were pretty alright. They were definitely worth it. Alright, I know I'm not an impulse buyer, but if I see something and I like it and I feel like I need it in my life, then I just need it in my life, okay? Just don't judge me. Oh my gosh, I'm working on it. Yeah, let me know, you know. Oh, I'm forgetting a pair. Oh my gosh, I have to show you guys. How could I forget? I can't, no. How could I forget? How could I forget? How? Because I'm looking at my bed like, wait, there's something missing. But yes, you guys know in my last video, when I was like in my last shoe haul, when I was like, oh my gosh, like the one pair of shoes that I've been trying to get forever that I couldn't find for people with big feet were sock heels. I found them, but I got these a minute ago. All right, I got these January, February-ish. But yeah, they're not like new, but I did wanted to show you guys because like it's kind of like an update, like, I found them. So I got these from Charlotte Russe in like February, January-ish. They were about $20 something when I found them, and I saw the 10 on the box. I was like, God, is that you? Like, I was so excited. But these are so beautiful. They're comfortable. I wore them once, but whatever, the bottoms are dirty. These are beautiful. They're comfortable. I love the clear heel, and it's open toe. I hate the fact that the back is open, because like my foot just pops out of it, but whatever, it's still sexy on my feet anyways. I love these so much. Literally, I've only styled them once when I bought them in February. I think it was just for church or something like that. But yeah, these are so sexy, so beautiful. And again, they're not part of this haul. I just wanted to show you guys because like that's what I was asking. Like, if you go watch that video, I was like, oh my gosh, I want a pair of sock heels or whatever. I have yet to find sock heel boots, like the booties, but I mean, I'm satisfied with these. And I want to see if there's a way that I can wear them with socks or okay, don't be tacky, Lynn. Don't do that. But like, I don't know, maybe I could wear them with socks and try to pull it off. I don't know, but I love these so much. I just wanted to show you guys. Yes, so now we're done. I hope you found this video helpful in a way. Let me know, what do you think about the shoes? What do you think about everything I got? Pretty good deals, right? I did okay this time. Also, let me know where you shop your shoes from, any website. Some of you guys mentioned last time, some of you guys were like, Go Jane, DSW. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you found it in a way helpful. I hope you found it helpful. I can't speak English anymore. I hope you found this video helpful in a way, and if you did, just make sure you give it a big thumbs up. That lets me know that this video is relevant to somebody. And leave a comment, you know, where do you get your shoes from? Definitely leave them below. Do you have big feet too? Because am I the only person in this whole entire world that has big feet? Like, talk to me. Like, talk to me. And if you do have big feet, definitely leave your websites below, like where you get your shoes from, stores, whatnot. In the building, we got Nike, we got Charlotte Russe, Burlington Co Factory, I did pretty okay. Like I did pretty alright. Make sure you also check out, yeah, Charlotte Russe. Their clearance racks are pretty decent. Sometimes they'll literally, like, if it's like almost out of stock, they'll just put it on the clearance rack for like $5 to $10. For F21, their clearance is pretty decent too. Online and in store, sometimes they'll have boots for like $10, $5. So definitely check that out. Salvation Army. Oh, by the way, yes. Oh my goodness. Somebody in the comments is gonna be like, ew, Lynn, you're buying thrifted shoes. Ew. Gonna try to drag me. Gonna try to snatch this wig off my head. This is my very first time buying thrifted shoes, okay? And they're brand new. Both these and the Chinese sock ones, they're brand new, all right? So like I just know that nobody else's foot's been in here. No foot sweats, no fungus. No nothing. All right, so this is brand new. Please don't drag me. And if you do want to buy thrifted shoes, just make sure you clean it, you wash it, you brush it down real good. I haven't worn these like at all. Like ever since I bought them, I literally, you can see the sticker on the bottom. Like I just wanted to keep them so I can show you guys. So yeah, just make sure you, even new shoes too. Like sometimes I get my new shoes, I'll just get a spray and I spray everything down. I don't care if it's new, if it's used. If I can wash it, then I'll go wash it. Listen, don't even get me ranting, but like especially underwear and all that stuff, definitely wash them. But shoes, I'll spray down because you know people try them on in the store anyway. So just you have to be careful, especially Burlington. When you go to Burlington Coat Factory, people just try on the shoes however they want. So definitely make sure you like wash them or like spray them down if you can. All right. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you have a nice day, afternoon, night, whatever time of day you're watching this, and I'll see you in my next video. Lady out. I wish I could do like a magic trick, but peace.